Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make crispy Manchurian makhana. Heat a pan and add 1 cup of Phool makhana and roast them. Roast them till they turn crispy. Now take a pan and add a tablespoon of oil, 1 spoon of finely chopped garlic, few curry leaves, and 1 spoon of chopped green chilies. Now add 2 spoons of water. One spoon of vinegar, and 1 spoon soya sauce. Add salt as per taste. Half spoon of chili powder. Mix them well and let it fry for 2 minutes. Finally add 1 spoon of water and add the roasted Phool makhani and mix it well. And the crispy Manchurian makhana is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.